This is a CF54 RAM replacement. If you've not done so already, go ahead and shut down your computer, flip it over, remove the battery, and then go ahead and remove the bottom plate, take all the screws off. Don't forget about the ones in the back, not just the ones on the bottom. Once you have the screws off, lift up the cover, and then you'll have access to both sticks of RAM. Go ahead and remove the sticks of RAM that you want to replace. There's tabs on either side of the sticks of RAM. One of the sticks of RAM may have a clear plastic cover sticking to it. You need to remove that, just lift it up, get your replacement RAM, and then slide it in place, click it and push it down until it clicks in place. Then you can put your bottom plate back on and screw it back down. Once you put the last of your screws in, you'll be all done with your repair. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, just let us know. If you have any questions, you can send them directly to our tech support email, which is tech_support@bobjohnson.com, or you can give us a call at our toll-free number of 877-202-7788.